Martin Kagan from Before Your Eyes Information Forum, and we are going to be looking at KPI and survey data synchronously in a series of models over time. Let's not waste time and have a look at it directly. So what we have got here is essentially the concept of a index model based off a grid of data which is in the range of -2 to +2, as indicated by these different color bands, as you can see. And the changes in data, as you can see by this singular item here, is we're using a high value of 3 as an outlier. And on the inner chamber, you'll see -2 as in terms of the data itself. What we're looking at is essentially major outliers, whether they fall within the parameter. As mentioned, this clearly is a way out outlier. That's 3 out of standard deviation. It's a positive indicator in this case, so it's a good thing. But there are obviously data elements that are out of the range of the data. And what we want to do is be able to actually see that item specifically, and there we are seeing it. We want to see that item. We see it on the right-hand side, and then it is interlinked on the left-hand side to what I classify as the single slice or the fingerprint of the said data. To do this, what we'll do is actually play this data over time or over the survey or candidates, whichever we choose to be the axis, and we can actually see how that fingerprint actually changes. And the fingerprint could be used for assessing the consistency, alternatively looking at those outliers, as I mentioned, both positive and negative, as you can see right here. We've got a negative outlier, and that would correspond, let's say, with this item over here. We could move it to any item to get that positional representation of what the fingerprint actually looked like. Or we could actually just look at the model as a totality and see what the answers to the KPI or survey representation is. As you can see, the model is very intricate and highly complex, but at the same time fully interactive relative to the data. Once again, thank you for viewing Before Your Eyes. It's always a pleasure to speak with you. I look forward to continuing the conversation with you at a later stage. If you have any questions, please don't withhold and communicate with me. That would be appreciated. Thank you.